Cold storage installation. First, install the floor, and then install wallboard. Install the door, and installation completed. Install the ceiling. Door installation completed. Install refrigeration equipment. Fire extinguisher. Nitrogen is used for leak picking and welding. The warehouse light is temporarily powered on. Check the air cooler. Measure size. Determine the installation location of the chiller. Arrange opposite doors as much as possible. The distance between the air cooler and the storage plate is equal to the height of the air cooler. Scribe and punch. Drain nitrogen in the air cooler. Tire copper tube hole location under the top plate. Align with the inlet and outlet pipes of the chiller, located about 70 cm down from the top plate of the warehouse. Cooling fixed unit. Check whether the shape of the condensing unit is damaged. Is nitrogen leaking? The unit is generally fixed to the floor or side mounted on the library board. Must be firm. The back of the unit is about 0.3 meters away from the wall. Pipeline connection and valve installation for oil return band. Good pipeline welding. Put the pipe with the expansion valve installed. Connect the air cooler intake pipe. The position of the expansion valve should be vertical. Pay attention to the position of the temperature sensor pack. It is normally installed at a point on the return pipe. Watch ear clock connection unit. Nitrogen filler. Pick up leaks. The horizontal sewer pipe is from 25 to 45 degrees downward. The freezer needs to be heated with a water pipe. Condensation system. Vacuum and power on the solenoid valve first according to the wiring diagram. Vacuum from low pressure pipe connection. Normal pumping half an hour. Gauge pressure up to -0.1 MPa. Add freon R404A. Place the R404, a liquid flat, on the electronic scale. Open the valve. Drain the ducted air. The fluorine filling amount should not exceed 80% of the total amount. Refer to unit nameplate. Close the valve after charging. Install the electric control box. The electric control box is arranged in a suitable position. Fixed. Understand the wiring of the electronic control box. Terminal E, zero line library light, etc. spare. 2.3 compressor heating belt wiring 4.5 connect unit pressure control 6.8 connect the air cooler fan 0.12 connect the air cooler to defrost and connect the air cooler wire. Open the chiller junction box. Understand the wiring diagram. Child connection defrosting line. Small terminal connected to fan. Connect the defrost with 2.5 meters of thread. Red wire connects phase line. Blue wire connects zero line. Connect the fan with 1.5 meters of wire. Red wire connects phase line. Blue wire connects zero line. Yellow wire connects ground line. Wire binding hole box opens the first bottom hole. Connect the defrosting wire to the terminal. 10 and 12 connect the chiller fan cable to the 6.8 red image cable. Condensing unit wiring. Understand the circuit diagrams. EIK pressure control DF electronic valve. N compressor and external fan. EIK leads out with 0.5 meters of wire. DF is connected to LN with 0.5 meters of wire. 2.5 meter grounding wire for LN. After the long line pressure control line is pushed together, it is introduced into the electric control box. Enter through hole 2. EIK cable is connected to further 0.5 meters cable is connected to 6.8 power cord. With 4 meters of cable, red box line, blue zero line. Yellow-green grounding. The power cord is connected to the upper end. Install a balance window. Install the switch. Connect the wires. The defrosting probe is tied to the evaporator return pipe. The temperature control probe is placed at the return air behind the fan. Power on test. Adjust the control switch to manual. Run for 5 minutes. Let's see if the industry is satisfied. Is the high and low pressure normal? Determine whether to add refrigerant. Understanding PIXI controller instructions. Set the library temperature requirement range value. The control box switch is adjusted to automatic. Run to set temperature. Adjust the opening degree of the expansion valve according to the situation during operation. Leveling the line. Pipe sore. Do a good job of thermal insulation dressing. Clean the seam. Make sure there are no safety hazards. Thanks for watching.